Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to browse product in OLX with your budget. So open your OLX application from your mobile. Okay, I'm opening mobile sections and open mobile phones. Then you can see there is multiple search result starting with 39,500 and 5,500 something like so. How to set a budget? It is very simple. Click on budget, then you can see there is a slider that's adjust a budget. So simply sorry so simply set the budget like this. Okay, then under 10,900. Okay, sorry, 1,000 and 9,000, and then apply. And it will be sort search result between 1,000 and 9,000. So you can see here everything under that current budget. So in this way you can easily browse whatever you want with your budget. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.